Hi, Rana here from Parliament. Today we will learn how to analyze the data within Google Sheets. I have the raw data in a cell, so I want to analyze this and I need only name, person name and the address. So I will install an extension named GPT for Sheets. I have installed this. You can get this by visiting add-on, get add-ons and search for GPT for Sheets. Then install this. So let's open. It's working. I have selected a model GPT 3.5 Turbo. So here I will use the formula is equal to GPT, press enter, and in inverted commas use the prompt, read this detail and back with person name with commas separated city name. And add a colon, close the inverted commas, put a single comma, select the cell and close the bracket, press enter and wait for the result. So here it is the person name with comma separated city name. So I will use this for first 10 results. So here you can see it's working now. Thank you.